What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Guys, the market is pumping really, really hard. I don't know if it's this the beginning of the bull run, but the fact of the matter is, at the what did they say? There was some bullish news about XRP. XRP pumped 72.8% in the last 24 hours. And guess what? All the rest of the market followed along. Okay, guys? Majority of the altcoins followed along. Okay, this is update about my trading bots. Okay, so let's go over to the Bybit, and my XRP bot is maxed out. Okay, so as you can see right here, well, here away, right here. So my trade, the pot was deployed over here, 0.47, and it was trading between 0.43 and 0.58. But as you can see right now, XRP is trading at 0.80, so I'm way out of range. Even with a pullback, because I believe there will be a pullback, right? So the pullback won't be enough to come all the way to below 58. So that means this bot right here, oh, sorry. This bot right here has to be terminated, okay? Because if you come over here to the positions, I have no positions, all right? So the bot will be waiting to buy when the price comes to 58. But, I don't think it will happen anytime soon. And if you come over here to history, it was just crazy, right? So yesterday I had probably about 40 trades, and then all of a sudden, boom, well, not actually 40 trades. I had more than 40 trades. That was a different bot. But just today, 176 trades. Okay, that was crazy. So total APR or percentage P&L and this bot in 12 days was 81% or 35.50 bucks. So it's time to shut it down. Much appreciated. Okay, so that one is done. So let's have a quick look at the other bots. Let's see what's up. Okay, so we have ETH right here. ETH is doing well as well. So 23 trades just today, right? So 22% up. The bot is 8 days old. Okay, but the great range from this one, it's 1663 and 2148. The current price is 1995. Okay, so I'm gonna let this bot run. Okay, so I'm not gonna terminate this one. Next one up, we have ETC. So I'm thinking about shut this one down because this one was down. Let me just have a look at the price charts. ETC. Let me see, what should I do with this one? Even though it's pumping a little bit, I might shut it down. I might shut it down. Let me have a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I might shut. We'll see. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it run for a few more days, or I might shut it down and pick it up right here, 1824. Yes, I might do that because this one was a pain, right? So I bought my entry was over here and it was down for quite some time, right? I could have um, deployed another bot right here. So I might shut this one down and set another bot right here. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to shut this one down. So even though it's been live for 12 days, okay, the total APR, total PNL, it's 21.77. Grid per profit 33.32. Okay. So yeah, this bot hasn't performed as well I was expecting. So I'm gonna shut it down. Okay. And I'm gonna deploy a new bot. So I'm gonna terminate this one. So let's see what we got next. Next one, we have the BNB. BNB is also doing well. So we are 31.61% up, or 15.80. Okay, just today made 27 trades. Grid per profit, or grid profit, so 3.42 bucks. Okay, so this one goes from 220 to 316. Current price is 254, so I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it run as it is. Not gonna touch these bots. And last one, we have the ARB token. ARB token, we are up 37.8%. So yes, this one is still also far away from the top grid, 136, and the mark price is at 122 right now. Okay, so I'm gonna let it run. So today it made 47 trades. Okay, 81 total P&L is 37.82, or 80 80.92 bucks. Okay, so I'm gonna let this one run as well. So let me go over to grid bots. So I've got one, two, three, four, five. So what's my balance? So 140. So I've got 5 bots right here. Okay, so I've got the XRP, right? XRP is pumping really hard, so we don't know how far this thing will go. So I'm thinking to set a bot right here at 0.78. So the trade would be this one right here, 0.78. Uh, so the bots will be right here. The setup would be this one right here. So entry price would be 0.78. Okay. Low grid would be 0.58, and the top one would be $1. Okay. But in order for XRP to touch that one, we need to drop 4%. Okay, let me go 50-minute price chart. Yeah, seems like it's going to dip, and seems like this one is very likely. Okay, as you can see right here, it seems like it's going to dip, and this is a support level. So XRP might come over here to this support level, right? So next one up, we got Matic, right? Matic again. Matic is dipping. I believe right now, people going to take profits, and we're going to see the altcoins dipping a little bit, right? So we are 6% to the next support level. I was thinking about doing a neutral grid on this one, but seems like it's dipping. So neutral grid I would have to deploy around here, 0.87, but it's dipping. So if it continues to go down, good entry point for this one for Matic would be 0.7938, more or less. Okay. Next one up, we got Dodge. And Dodge, if you caught Dodge when I post the signal on the TG group, right? So the signal was around here, 0.064. And if you caught Dodge, look, that was almost 10%. And if you have leverage, 10x leverage, that's almost 100% leverage. Okay. So if you caught the signal, right now you are in good profits. Okay. So this trade right here, what I was thinking is to do, so is it 2.2%? Oh, it's still going up. It was here a few minutes ago. So it seems like it's still going up. So Dodge, yeah, Dodge, I'm gonna skip it because it's still going up, right? So if it breaks above this resistance line right here, I would place an entry right here, okay? 0.071, but it seems like it's still going up. I was thinking to place an order right here, 0.068, but it's still going up, so I'm gonna skip Dodge. Next one, we got Dots. So Dots is in a tricky situation right now. So Dot is right here, or it was. Let me have a look at an hour chart. What is the price? So as you can see right here, Dot is right here on the dot. 515, no, 549. What the hell? Okay, as you can see right here, dot, it's right here. Okay, 540. Okay, right here. So I'm thinking about deploying a bot on dot as well. So if I deploy a bot on dot, that would be a neutral bot. Okay, so neutral bots either go up and down because the whole market pumps, right? So dot is right here in the middle. If even if your dot continues to go up, eventually it will have to come down. Or if it goes down right now, eventually it will have to come up. Okay, so the whole idea is deploy a neutral bot right here, and then whichever way the price chart will go, eventually there will be a pullback for this level right here because this is a strong um, resistance or support level. This is a very, very um, good level. Okay, so if I show you the past trades, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and beyond. Okay, guys. So yeah, I feel like DOT will struggle to overcome this barrier. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. Okay, I'm still in two minds which one I'm going to deploy. So next one up, we got Phantom. Phantom again. I'm thinking to deploy a neutral bot on this one because from here to here is 26. So Phantom would have to come over here to 13%, which is 0.31. So let's have a look at the 50-minute price chart, and feels like Phantom is about to do a pullback. Or if you want to catch Phantom, um, have a look out at 0.27 or 0.28. Okay, from there you have to pull back 10%, so less likely. Okay, so looking at the price chart, I'm going to deploy a dot, and no dodge. Matic is pulling back. XRP. Yeah, so it's going to be Dodge, no, DOT and XRP. So XRP is going to be, let's go long, manual, and we're going to go for XRP. So let's see what the AI is going to say to us. So 0.44, no, that's not the one we want. So we're going to go for 0.58, let's call it 0.58, 0.58. And higher grade is $1. Yeah, $1. $1 right there. So number of grids. So we got 28 plus 25. So that's 50, 53, 54. So let's say 108 grids. 108 grids. We're gonna go for 10x leverage. And the minimum investment is $11. So we got 140. So I'm going to deploy two bots, so $70 each. Okay, my entry price for this one will be 0.78. I'm going to call it 0.78. Entry price 0.078. Okay, so he has to drop 3%. And the stop loss, we're going to set it at 0.57. Let's go 0.57. Stop loss 0.57. And yeah, I'm happy with that. So let me just confirm this. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, that one is done. Okay, so we're just waiting for the entry price 0.78. Okay, if that happens, we're good to go. And the next one up, we got dots. Okay, so dot is right there on the dot. So we're gonna go for futures, manual, and we're gonna go for dots. What's going on here? Dots right there. Let's see. No, it's just neutral. Let's see what the AI says. So the lower grade is going to be 4.228, 4.228, and the upper grade is going to be 6.958, 6.958. Okay, so we got 64%, so we got 128 grids. We're gonna go for 15x leverage. This is neutral grid. 15x. Yeah, let's try 15x. So we're gonna go for 70. Entry price, I would say 5.5. Yeah, we are already there. So we're good to go. So stop loss on top will be 7 and 4. So over here 7 and here 4. And entry price, yes, we want to deploy right now because dot is right there. And yes, I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead. And that's that, guys. So I am gonna shut this video down. It's 60 minutes long already. I just wanted to give you an update about my trades. Okay, so so far so good. So let's keep it going. Right. So again, I've got 5 bots. The P&L is 17.35%. So just deployed 2 new bots. I'm gonna post this video on the Signals channel 329, and also I'm going to post the signals for the XRP and the dots. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.